Welcome back, class. We are on Chapter 1, Section 3. So we are back to talking about nature versus nurture as promised. So nature is the heredity that a child has, and nurture is the environmental influences that create the experience from external forces. So genes are actually part of nature. So they are the basic building blocks of heredity. They give a child traits, and they are passed down from both the mother and the father of the child. So then we are brought to the question of, is development continuous or discontinuous? And this is an argument that scholars have had for a long time. So some feel that development is continuous as a process, allowing learning to occur gradually and build up on what they already know. However, some other theorists believe that qualitative changes bring in new stages of development. So remember, qualitative is quality, not quantity. So this is not numbers, but this is the quality of skills that they can do. An example would be maturational theorists believing that no matter the environment, if a child is not ready to develop, they won't until their body is mature and ready to do so. So are children active or passive? This is another question that theorists have often asked. Active means pre-wired to act on the world. Passive is shaped by experiences. These are two different extremes. So some educators believe that children are passive, put rigorous demands on them in the classroom, feeling that they need to be motivated by the teacher and keep them on the straight and narrow so that they don't act up. On the other hand, educators who believe that children are active feel that they should have more of a natural love for learning in a natural environmental setting, to encourage them to explore environments full of education materials, explore their personal interests, maybe pick up some natural talents and specific interests. So this brings us to Yuri Braun-Fenbrenner, that he argued that there are points that are missed when we define children as active or passive, and it's actually doing them a disservice by doing so and putting a label on them. So children are influenced by the environment, just as the environment is influenced by the child. So children are neither active or passive. They're actually both sometimes. This is a very short lecture this time, and I will take you to section 1.4, where I promise there's a lot more information.